Do you know why the sky is blue?
God made it.
Ah!
I know why water is blue.
Why is water?
Do you know why the sky is blue? The sky is blue because molecules in the air scatter blue light from the sun more than they scatter red light. When we look towards the sun at sunset, we see red and orange colors because the blue light has been scattered out and away from the line of sight. A common misconception is that the ocean is blue, therefore the sky reflects it. But in reality, it's not true. Sunlight reaches Earth's atmosphere and is scattered in all directions by all the gases and particles in the air. Blue light is scattered in all directions by the tiny molecules of air in the Earth's atmosphere. Blue is scattered more than other colors because it travels at shorter, smaller waves. This is why we see a blue sky most of the time.
Do you know how rainbows are formed? Theories or I guess I don't know the iris theory. I don't know. The pot of gold.
That's too difficult to answer, but I just know that a rainbow is formed after a short rain, after it rained for a short time, and then the sudden rays of the sunlight has something to do with the formation of the rainbow. If I'm correct, I'm not sure.
Have you ever seen a rainbow? If yes, can you explain what it is? A rainbow is an arch of colors formed in the sky. It is caused by the refraction and dispersion of the sun's light by rain or other water droplets in the atmosphere. Here's a fun fact. Light from the sun is actually white, but because of dispersion, once the light travels through prisms, it gets dispersed into different colors, making the rainbow possible. A common misconception is that the rainbow is found on land and that there is a pot of gold at the end. However, this is not true because a rainbow is a cone, therefore it has no end.
Giving it up again!
Hello, Yana Araka. Do you know what's a sundog?
Sundog? No?
No? You don't know the sundog? No. Do you have any idea what a sundog is?
What? Dogs under the sun.
Yeah. Dog, sun, and dog.
Do you know anything about sundogs? A sundog is an atmospheric phenomenon that consists of a pair of bright spots on either horizontal side on the sun. This is caused by the refraction of light from plate-shaped hexagonal ice crystals either in high or cold cirrus or cirrostratus clouds. This can also be caused during very cold weather drifting in the air at low levels. Here's a fun fact. You often see sundogs beside the sun, making it look like there is more than one sun. A common misconception is that sundogs are bigger stars than the sun. This is caused by its extreme brightness.
What comes into mind when you hear the word halo?
Angels.
Thing around the head.
Oh, you know the song. I can see your halo, halo, halo. I can see your halo.
What is the first thing that comes into your mind when you hear the word halo? Halos are circles of white or colored light around the sun, moon, or other luminous bodies caused by the refraction through ice crystals in the atmosphere. They sometimes make a halo around the sun, forming a 22-degree angle. This is known as the smallest halo. A common misconception is that we often see halos around the heads of holy people or saints, but this is scientifically impossible.
Guys, do you know why auroras appear?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Oh.
No. How about you?
What's the first thing that comes into your mind?
Let me see.
Brother Bear.
Do you know why auroras occur? Auroras are a natural electrical phenomenon with the appearance of reddish or greenish light. Auroras are usually near the northern or southern magnetic pole. It occurs when the magnetosphere is disturbed by solar wind due to the trajectories of charged particles in solar wind and magnetic plasma. Did you know that light is produced when protons and electrons separate, producing strong energy? A common misconception is that auroras are signs of spiritual events and are heaven lights. However, these are not proven.
Hello, Vichy Valdez. Ever seen a solar eclipse?
A solar eclipse?
Can you like tell us what happens during a solar eclipse?
It's when the moon and the sun align, and then it makes the sun reflected black.
What's the first thing that comes into your mind when you hear solar eclipse?
Twilight.
What? Do you know why it happens?
Yeah.
Why? How?
Because the sun and the moon align. And
It's when the sun and then the moon and then there's no light.
Have you ever seen a solar eclipse? As seen from the Earth, a solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, partially or fully blocking it. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that diffraction occurs during solar eclipses once you see the corona of the sun? This is because the sun is not fully covered, causing light to pass through the edge of the moon. A common misconception is that one can jump higher during a solar eclipse because of the decreased gravitational pull. However, this has still not yet been proven. UV rays are very dangerous during a solar eclipse. This is why we should wear sunglasses during the event.
Hello, Sean Brago. Do you know what a light pillar is?
Light what?
Pillar.
I don't know.
You don't know? Any idea what it is?
Of course not. I think it's pillars na light.
Okay.
Do you know what light pillars are? Light pillars are atmospheric optical phenomenon in the form of a vertical band of light that appears in the atmosphere. The effect is created by reflection of light from numerous tiny ice crystals suspended in the clouds. Did you know that light pillars may look like auroras? A common misconception is that light pillars occur directly above or below a light source. Unlike a light beam, a light pillar is not physically located above or below the light source. This is because its appearance of a vertical column is also an optical illusion resulting from the collective reflection of the ice crystals, only those of which that appear to lie on a vertical line direct the light rays towards the observer, similar to the reflection of a light source in the body of water.